Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're going to be installing some Grand Turismo series LED fog lights on my B8 A4 Audi. And these are supplied by Dragon LEDs. Go check them out at dragonleds.com. They have great customer service and great products. And you can also follow them on Instagram, that's Dragon LEDs, and check out my Instagram page, Embrace Racing. And so before we get these things on the car, let's take a look at the product itself. So this is an H11 size bulb to fit the Audi A4. It's got a nice big heatsink on the back with a big fan. So make sure if you guys are purchasing the Grand Turismo series, you got enough room behind your fog light housing to fit them. And it's got a ballast. So the ballast here, we're gonna have to be able to tie up somewhere in the car. And we can do that once we take apart the fog light grille to access our fog lights to install these. Installation on the B8 A4 Audi is as simple as it gets. Now this is an S-line model, but the A4 baseline and the S4 should be all the same. The fog light grille pretty much just pulls away from the car, so you can actually just unclip it by pulling it apart. After that, inside we have two T25 Torx screws that we can remove, and then the whole fog light will pull right out of the vehicle. With the fog light housing out, we now have access to the back where we can access the bulb. And these just twist out, and your bulb will also twist out, and then the connector here will just simply unplug. And there's a little tab on the back you can push and then pull the whole thing apart. You're gonna need two hands to do that. And so the new Grand Turismo series fog light just twists into place the same way that the original OEM halogen fog lights would twist into place. And from there, we're left with the connector. You'll see the nub on top. That is gonna line up with the top connector here, this little tab, and it should just push and snap into place. You'll hear it click, and that's it. We're pretty much ready to go. We just have to find a place to tie up this ballast inside of the bumper. So it's got little slots here conveniently for some tie straps or zip ties. We're gonna find a place to put those in, and then we can just put our two T25 Torx screws back in where we found them and pop our fog light grille back into place. And so quickly before we put the front fog light grille back on, you can see inside of the bumper where I've decided to tie up the ballast. There's a convenient little hole there. There's another one on the right that you could have tied the ballast to. These are just some options. So it's just a single zip tie through the ballast and through that mounting hole. Also, just take note here when you're putting the fog light grille back on that the two little nubs here fit into the bumper first, right in the corner, and then we can push it into place and you'll hear it snap. With the vehicle on and running, you can now see on the right-hand side the yellow style LED fog light, and on the left-hand side the crisp, bright white LEDs from dragonleds.com. These are the Grand Turismo series LED fog lights. This is an H11 bulb size, and you can see how nice and white and crisp that light is. All that's left to do is rinse and repeat the same process on the right-hand side to get that nice white look all the way around the car. And so now it's night, the sun has gone down, and I have disabled all of the other forward-facing lights on the vehicle. And you can see here that I'm about to fire up the fog lights, and these things are bright upon first impression. And looking at them on the right-hand side, you can see there's a little bit of a glare, and that's actually from my tow hook license plate mount. So my license plate is sticking out in front of the right-hand fog light, causing that glare. Otherwise, these things perform exceptionally well inside of the stock fog light housings. Looking at these lights from a second angle, you can see that the output pattern is still really wide and really low, just what you'd want from your fog lights. So that's it, guys. It's about a 15-minute job to get phenomenal light output out of your B8 A4 or S4 Audi fog lights. Give the guys at dragonleds.com a shout and check out their Grand Turismo series LED fog lights to get results like this. You can also find them on Instagram, Dragon LEDs, and check me out on Instagram, Embrace Racing. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.